And now joining us on the phone is Saleh Aljateli, team leader in processing engineering at Kuwait National Petroleum Company, to talk more about this project. Good afternoon, Saleh.
Good afternoon.
Saleh, as pollution and climate changes became a leading concern to the whole world, does this project standards match the demands to preserve the environment, especially since Kuwait is an oil-producing country?
First of all, let's talk about Kuwait National Petroleum Company and its role within the energy standard and energy sector within the state of Kuwait. Since the establishment of the company back in 1960, we have embarked upon a journey to develop and enhance our operation to be a leading refining within the state of Kuwait and globally by providing our commitment to provide high quality product to the market. We have, through those years, through the last 62 years, those efforts have led to where we are today by celebrating the commissioning and the operation of both Clean Fuel Project and Min Al Hamid and Min Abdullah Refinery, in addition to the recent commissioning of the Zur Refinery in our sister companies, Kuwait Quebec. Talking about the environmental impact on the product supply, KNBC is fully committed towards our HSE by committing to health and safety and environment commitments toward the market and providing high quality products. Those two projects, mega projects actually, each one of them is cost more than 4 billion kg, aims into enhancing our refining capabilities, enhancing the revenues of Kuwait crude processing within the state of Kuwait, providing high quality products, superior products to what we have been providing earlier, to ensure that the environment in Kuwait is protected, whether it's an air emissions or the other environmental aspects. KNBC is fully committed toward that. We have been working day and night with all major projects and partners to ensure that.
What are the benefits that will accrue to the country, economically and environmentally, from the environmental food project in general?
If we take it from a global point of view, it is estimated through multiple publications that the environmental pollution cost from $2 to $8.1 trillion impact on health and other implications to the global population. Taking it more micro level into states of Kuwait, by enhancing our operation, by providing the product of superior product to the market, we can contribute into our commitments toward the environment within the state of Kuwait by reducing the amount of pollution and ensuring that we are meeting global and local standards and regulations, and ensuring that the public are protected at all the time through the energy sector that we are providing and contributing into the state of Kuwait.
What about the environmental impact of the environmental fuel project? How will it affect Kuwait's international reputation in the field of clean energy?
Since basically from when we started thinking about enhancing Kuwait National Petroleum Company refining, both the invasion back in 1990s and early 2000, we put upon our target that we need to make sure that our operations are enhanced, our products are fully compatible with the regulations globally and locally within the state of Kuwait. What we have done is that through the design and partnership with major contributors and major designers, we made sure that all our operation is meeting and exceeding the regulations requirements. So basically our operation is, we put our targets that we need to be better than what the regulation requires, and to ensure that the environment surrounding the refining sector in Kuwait and within the state of Kuwait is provided with the best solution and the best operation. Through those projects, the Clean Fuel Project and Zur Refinery Project, our emissions have dropped drastically from what it's been previously in the 80s and 70s. So we are moving towards fulfilling our commitments toward the environment. In addition, all our energy supplies, that's the product that we supply to the energy sector in Kuwait, whether to public through the gasoline and diesel that we're supplying to the local market, or through the gas that we are supplying to the gas network in Kuwait, We are making sure that all those products provide a superior performance and a minimum amount of pollution, if any, which far exceed the requirements and the regulation globally, even in the most stringent regulations in certain countries. So as a KMBC, we put that as a target into our mission and vision and into our values that we are committed to ensure and fulfill that.
Thank you so much for joining us, Saleh.